Sinyasi number 0721-217817. Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Ine nuganeti konyora jisemi chingi ya chekerero Liatirimba Technical and Vocational College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January yuegenderete nigo bakuru wa chikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Somebody tango kwa Jackson Omae yondo mwalimu Kabere ase skulu ya Liatirimba Technical Vocational College ose deputy principal ase college ya Liatirimba Technical Vocational College is located ase Nyaliwali Masaba constituency ward ya Gasusu Karoweka ase junction ya Geteri aiga ase college yetu abanafunzi ndo chinjira mbalimbali tukubakonya ekwarama tenga abayigoli baito gutwara barubwawa ase ngencho ya school fees kero mwanafunzi ikirase college yetu kubakonya tuli kubayijuleria kusips egiye kuba funding kurwase serikali pamoja na funding kurwase Higher Education Loans Board elinde banyaragora bakora kikosi cyabo asogorora na kutabukya kwirari bageri asengencho yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskill ekira bakonye isikali mwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete agirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba Liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batarire ase website www.liatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Liatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
Wairabia mwanchomo ligereria emaragoba eyerengia andonsi soto bwaterete karibu sana ase Jumatano ya bene yechitariki 15 na gukwanirie ase nchara ya bene kinde no kwegena nigo Jumatano yago yabeire gekoba entoereru na bego ya elirebia karibu sana ase kionga chinsa ibere elingendere gukomanya amange bunabere kago korekana na mange abere gakoenekiwa kurwa chinsemo ime amona isiko yelirobalia gusi ase kionga chinsa ibere emeza ya mangana mayatu aliganiri onsi elikwanekia ngo yareta tule ase nchira yoboikiranu isaransoike elionko yamanye ase nchira yoboime Wilson makoriko rugale asensemo yebimanyererio na yareta kubwaterana nere elikwaneki ngo yanyorore ase nchira yoboime nancho nigonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto kwandeli tangani tigana koretera egati ya yalina kwaleganirie ase kionga chinsa ibere egati ya yalina kwaleganirie ase kionga Jumatano
onye wakonyoro mwana mumura wa sodomite that is gender-based violence onye gokorepo musubati obali kwanyora ntira that is gender-based violence
omujumbe we county ya Nyamira umusubati Jerusha Momanyi gochake beno murobeli bwogo sira boroki wabanyaruka asobo chenu bwabo.
When they are unwell, the children don't go to school. When they are unwell, the mama mboga will not attend to her kiosk. When they are unwell, that guy at the Mujengo will not show up to work.
Wizara yobochenu gochakia omurobeli bwobochenu omanyekanete buna epuka uchafu nyumbani.
Kuanzia mwezi ujao, mwezi wa 3, sasa tutaanza kujenga madaraja Hapa tuko na daraja 44 kwa hii Nairobi River.
Omuraibu ense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto guchakia mirobeli bene yogosira serikali ya kaunti ya Nairobi asobokoreri au. Mwanchu morigereria karibu elionko yamanye ase nchira yobo ikirano toko chaka korwa ase county ya Nyamira. Omo women rep we county eyuyu Musubati Jerusha Mumanyi nego litukolia rero abakago chakia onabo igokora omuroberio obokwena na ebitamba byobochenu wose sanitary towels wochase abana banyaruka ase county ya Nyamira umuyega okoreka ase getige skuru yoboroso ya Tunga eyogotoka imeye wodi ya Nyamaya wokwana chinga kiechecho Musubati Jerusha nigabereka goteba buna obotaka negati yebitango ebigendrete kwirira obusoko bonene asaba n'abanyaruka chingaki bale asa matukabo nigo egekoreki kyabage kumwirira ereko imukya egetambokerekyo yogokorwa obokonye bwebitamba bwebochenu bochya ase abana banyaruka okwana naboigo chingaki echecho nigo abakagukwanira igoro yokogani boigo ogokorwania chisegi chiginka ase chiamate au omurikito Daniel Ontiri nabakagwikirana aso mujego yo nabona nigo atwaliganire roboti urwo asenchira yobo ikirano.
I am today launching officially that these sanitary towels should reach every school and every student. And I say, yeah! I am makofi jamani.
Ase kaunti ya Nyamira Musike Jerusha niko chinga kecho agikere bikore bibonderia asa abana banyaruka n'abasubati ase kaunti yo nagotabuna chinga kicheikire cyo gwake getuli ase segiye
onye gokorepo mwana moke that is gender based violence. Onye wakonyoro mwana mumuro wa sodomite that is gender based violence. Onye gokorepo musubati obali kwanya orantira that is gender based violence. And I am against that, not only me, but the law of Kenya is against gender-based violence. Lakini asoko nyorwa, ayetu atebirina omuntu ndi place ogochiesa na magima y'abantu. Kabasa kwa eguri bagamenye na inwe. Osana mutete tuko omuntu gotanda abantu asitore. Omuntu bunoyo atebirwa agende komenya ali esechera asa abantu bamubuye kaine bali. Lakini alwe sabanta baya ekekogera community inara tutagete
asense mwende nigakwanire igoro yobomo bomugusi nokogania kogotwara na gukwana neryo gyelimo okonya nonye naso kongusa amagendero kurwa se serikali enene
na mama county na kinire na beire edia kabere na gendero rogorali na rosi network na ro libla bakunku bandi bagukwana na inde bakonye bisaku byabo na ite ninde tayari okonye gese kubyito buno mugusi
chinga kechecho Musike Jerusha nigaenekirie bunanare tayari asiganga yaye yage siasa osegeta boiga basubati banda ega Kenya kwirwanirira asamabaga ao yoborai.
I am there and I will not be intimidated. Bali bakaleta na barandame bamusianga elinde maboe. I am not going to fear. I am there for the sake of my people. Abagani Nyamiraga.
Jerusha mungina mumanyi nigo gwikekero tokogende mbeo haru musubati weka uraririe gocha gokinania enyameni ya gesiasa na barai banda basacha asokolijia na kurwanira ekirgo kibogavana ase county ya Nyamira asobochori bogocha egetambokero nonyene bo kyagendere kungusa ebirengereri ao ase siasa ye county ya Nyamira
mwanyanzeire abantu baminto banyamaya ngende kulikyo bugagano muno mukungu Nyamira mwanzire tulikyo bugagano bo and I want to assure you this kumuranga bugagano ndikuramanyanga ige tugekoro ku revolution kia kititiza mutini bagakora buya balindi bakasubaitire abantu bari bakora n'abakungu
nkuruba tereka taseni kyagatembe literane ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri.
Bia mono ya bene omurikito Daniel Onthiri asengenche gutwariganiria roboti uru asinchira yoboikiranu Mwencho murigereria roboti uru wa Daniel Onthiri na rogotwa riboririe rituko asinganiti ontebye birengereri byago igoro yabarai kogendera gusira abana banyaruka anene gwetera asobochenu asokuba ebitamba byobochenu ine aye buna omwancho murigereria nogokiri no mukebwa barai gusira abana banyaruka asensemo yobochenu nabogotolikira ujumbe yagenyenge gwetera asenambe yuregabu ase screen yago 0726 447367 elio onyara ko bagokorwa ebirengereri byago nabo igogaria asensemo ye mitandao no tori muna Getembe TV Facebook nabo YouTube nabo korwa ebirengereri byago igoro yomukia bwa barayi kogendera gusira abana banyaruka wetera asokuba ebitamba byobochenu ekero togotigana no roboti rumwancho murigereria na gusuka gocha ase oroboti ronde Murikyo munene ase wizara yobochenu umusubati Mary Mudhoni nigo litukulia lero achake bene umuroberio obwobochenu oyo olengete gochigokinia ebirengo byobochenu ase chinsemo ao imeyense ya Kenya ukwana ase gikaro kyogochakia umuroberio yo umusubati Mudhoni nigabeire gakoene kibuna umuroberio yo nigo orachikogenderera ase gekegetambe elikoene kibuna abakenya kusaba na inchi nkogendera bale gokonyeka wete aso kwerinda nago keyo buchafu ase chinga chabo oroboti uru ase nchira yo wikirano
Epuka uchafu, afya nyumbani, turning policy into daily protection.
Buna enchira yemo yo kugendera kwenekia na boigo kulinda obochenu ase chinsemo ao murikyo monene ase wizara yobochenu musubati Mary Mudhoni nigo abereka gochakyo muroberio bwo kwenekyo obochenu anene ase chinka ao muroberio yo umanyekanite buna epuka uchafu nigo orengete gosegeta abantu wetanga kurwa asa maruire anene ayo akolento no buchafu wetera ase okulinda obochenu.
We are reigniting. We are telling them, hey guys, there is work to be done. And this is how it should be done. Then this is going to culminate into our national launch. And the national launch for Epuka Uchafu, Afya Nyumbani, that becomes an Usafi Day.
Gukwanekerekyo umusubati Mary Mudhoni nigo aberiga kwene kibuna umuroberio yu nigo rachikogenderera ase getambe elikwene kibuna kera umwana inchi ngwetangare kurwa aso buchafu.
When waste is poorly managed, drainage is blocked, water sources are contaminated, and sanitation systems fail, we create the perfect conditions for diarrhea diseases, cholera, typhoid, malaria, respiratory infections, and childhood malnutrition.
Gukwanekerekyo umusubati Mary Mudhoni nigo aberiga kwene kibuna umuroberio yu nigo rachikogenderera ase getambe elikwene kibuna kera umwana inchi ngwetangare kurwa aso buchafu.
When we talk about environmental hygiene, then we add into water and sanitation. This is delivered through our community health promoters. We have 107,831 community health promoters across the country, and they remain the face of prevention at the household level. Therefore, when Epuka Uchafu Afya Nyumbani makes hygiene, safe water sanitation, and responsible waste management daily habits, not occasional campaigns that we do, but it is a daily habit that everybody becomes part and parcel.
Oboli abantu bonsi kwenekyo bochenu ase chinsemo ao egati yabo chichiro ne chinsemo chinde asa abantu bakumirana na kobera.
When we keep telling people, please clear the dirt in your markets, it is the consistency in that market that makes them have behavioral change. That is why we are here today. A call to the leadership and commitment is that this moment calls for clear choices.
Na kolengana nere niga marwira kolenta asale nene ase chibesa chinyinge chigosira nonye na masomo y'abana goturubaniwa awetera ase barabugotagenda chisukuru.
The cost of inaction is enormous. It's even worse. The poor sanitation, the unsafe water It is Kenya spending tens of billions of shillings every year through treatment, through environmental damage, and through premature deaths. When they are unwell, the children don't go to school. When they are unwell, the mama mboga will not attend to her kiosk. When they are unwell, that guy at the mujengo will not show up to work.
Inguripoteria egetaseni kia getembe inchoni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto. Omubunge o West Mugirango omusike Stephen Mugaka nigo litukulia lero abagakogendereria gwikirania magenderero ao ime ye bunge yo igati yabo okuigurwa kwipirasi ase chiskuru ibere eri secondary ya Nyakiore na boigo eri yoburuso yabo sose ime ye ward ya Bunyamatuta boigo buna enchereyemo yokorokia obwasioku igoro yobobagi bwechi basari nigo omusike Steve abagagokoba erebye ko munyene echicheki cyaborokiwa bali babete bagokonyeka kurwa ase omurobiri yose kurwa ase echi basari echo muri kito Fatgad Gisemba na robotiro asobwikirana.
Omubunge bw'ebunge ya West Mugirango Mosque Stephen Mugaka nigo ritukuria rero agendereria gwikirania amagenderero aho imeye bunge eyo egati ya magenderero ayaiga nuko igurwa kwebirasi aho ase skuru yoboroso ya bosose na boigo area ya secondary ya Nyakiore chonzi chigotoke imeye ward ya Bunyamatuta omojega boigo Mosque Mugaka aria eira yogochia kwena na epasi ya skuru ya Nyakiore.
Hiyo vitisho mnaniletea ya basi, mnajua mimi ni lichumba. Alafu mnanichezea na basi. Kuja mwezi wa 4 muone hiyo. Please go and tell the fund manager. Next week I want the check for Nyakiore bus prepared. Tulipane nayo ndio tuanze vita ya nyinyi. Na hii story mnanitisha nayo ya basi yangu haitakanyaga matope. That is why I have told the president. That is why I have told my president. Nyakiore, sitaki watoto wangu wakanyage matope. Hii barabara before we go for Christmas tupate imewekwa lami hapa ndio tukae chini.
Aiga ase skuru ya secondary ya Nyakiore nigo boigo Mosque Stephen Mugaka asira aborokiwa be skuru eyo nechipasari cha masomo abo ase skuru eyo asomwako oyo erache kokonyeka nechishiringi gwetania emilioni yemo yechipasari
356. I have sponsored 356 students from Nyakiore. 1 million shillings and 72,000. May those children and their parents contribute to our getting the best win grade.
Kukwanira iguru yepara ekorwa nyamaiya ubwari yachagosoka ekerenyo nigo omubunge uyo akwanira okubwatirana okwo babire bakubwatirana asobwange n'umuwakirishi bwabangina imeye county ya Nyamira Mosque cherusha mumanyi eryo kwenekya buna ipari yo nero ngochikubekwere irami
omugiro cherusha amaisa nyasamo ete kama tuminga togorerio musacho yo amaisa yao nabepa ikebe kwerani lere sababu lero ndino mogoko kubatangasira unepare ya ito ya toiro bosoku ekero kenyato mugambete ekero moya gambete ekero kibakia gambete rourwa gambete omuyamato tosinya inobe kire pariera mwere buya gosere bobe aende na tebya abantu ba West Mugirango twake siasa yobo ngai omuyamato ligare pe iraisi one gotaka gosoke bintu korubwoye igago koboria no itogo semo bisa akoiguno ito okoigorere bintu byacha buna bingocha.
Hinko reporter Getembe koraiga se county ya Nyamira Fatgad Gisemba.
Bia muno omurikito Fatgad Gisimba asengencho yoroboturu omukonyi w'omurayi omunene w'ikiama gya Jubilee omusike Daktari Fred Matiang'i nigo litukulia lero abagakoene kibuna ensemo y'okwamereria eserikali nigo irachikoinekia obwene amuno obwasyoku asokurigia oborwaniriria bw'ekirugo ky'oburayi bw'ense ya Kenya ayu orachikwamererania nere Daktari William Ruto. Daktari Matiang'i nigalenge kuyakwana yu chingaki abaga kumirana amona ababwatani ebekiama ekyo gya Jubilee ekerobo umirana amona ekiama gya PNU.
Get people to align them, to align their visions, their platforms, their plan of government. It takes time. I don't know why we expect that it will be, a 1 day or 2 days affair. We are on a journey, and we hope that by God's grace, that journey will culminate in the best interests of the people of Kenya getting better leadership. That's all. So let's not, speculate too much. And then there was no question of reservations. What I had my views on how, because your colleagues asked me, how do I think a presidential candidate should be chosen? And I said, I don't know. We are going to agree when we get there. But in my view, from where I sit, it ought to be an inclusive process, because in alliance building and coalition building, process is as important as the outcome itself. Because if you have 5 candidates, you're going to go through a process where 4 candidates are going to come back without being nominated as flag bearers. They must have a basis, a credible basis of conviction to tell their supporters that we sat in that place, we went through this process, and we arrived at X or Y as the candidate. And since we are bound by that arrangement, let us now support that candidate. That is how you achieve your objectives. But you see, if you operate on the basis of a conspiracy, you will not achieve your objectives, because how will those other 4 who are not nominated go back to their supporters and address them? How will they explain to them why they are not the candidate? Because if our interest is unity and to bring everybody together, then honestly there is no substitute for inclusion, including the public, and ensuring that we are open and transparent about these issues, talking to people. Maybe you guys from the media, because you are serious guys from the media, you should even organize a presidential debate for opposition candidates so that we come before the people of Kenya. What are we hiding? We are not looking for family leadership, we are looking for public leadership. The people of Kenya should be involved in the process all along.
Wanchomo ligereria tokwirana county ya Nyamira magega yogotwara engusanano enene asegeka egetambe igoro ya Osema igaje gutwara engusanano enene igati ya MCA o township omusike Duke Masira amuno mugavana we county ya Nyamira omusike Amoski Muminyalibo nigabona omusike Duke Masira abereka goteba bunani gabekire kisegi chage siasa ensemo na nigo aganetie kubwatirana no mugavana we county y'omusike Amusinyalibo elyo okolera abananchi amagenderero igati yabo okoroisiwa wechipara echo cyabere kigosaleka muno kitali gweteka nabo igokoroisiwa wechinsoko chamache elikoine kibuna abananchi nabo igo abanakinyoro kurwa chinsemo au nkwanyolera baramache ayo bagutumika umurikito Fatgad Gisimba otwariganirie orobotyuru
amagenderero y'ekipara ayo anene ataraikiraniwa ase birengo bibwenerete ase ekipara kinyinge imeye wodi ya township nakyo kyayireire omo MCA we wodi eyo Omusike Duke Masira wesokya na gukwanira ekipara ekyo ekibono aburirie omugavana Omusike Amusinyalibo kubwatirana ne wizara y'ekipara koroisia kipara ekyo
watebire ngatoke anise gyake tokorerwe gasi no mugaka asare nera tuigwe ngore twatigire nera tokorere gasi ka tokorere tigasi ko tugwitinga bado ke mina nonkero so ntu tiga bantu baminto bakorera kipara nakabesa kari tuwabeka gichinsoko to watokere tokorera abantu baminto ginsoko karansari kono mune akarumu antu mire ngepara gete niga sarigete nagenda simbuli ari natebanga abantu baminto batente abantu baminto ba nyaigwa abantu baminto babundo singenjabo no kipara kisarigete mono nabantu baminto bakyabira kipara bante His Excellency ne chimbe
omo MCA oyeboigo obwatukire ogukurerwa ugutindi buna onye serikali ya Nyamira teri gocha koroisia kipare ekyo nigo arachikubasegeta abantu ba township koimokya egetambukiro
barabara His Excellency amusikimu munyaribo tuigwe bantu bane batentega bamenyete town gatiba bagusuka kubura toba imebaswera mu nandu muntu sunyuko baba pastor Andrew basunyuko genda gucikikanisa singe ncho bakuru ekenukime baswe town dio paka bono mambia no bonte keteko na kosabo mugabana tali ngantrete tokoko asama tuko makega ruko ruboni gatonyore nga para kitu nchirikoba bono ni ntwe choko na buturaje treni town ya andu mwaka turaje ni kembugu ekebe paka no na yo tuwo boy bono tinko tuko impi ya ruko bono impeachment ya rutinga bugati bono nuko kana 90% yon stukuru yachi kokonye county nero tuko tineni asinge bono 90% ntoro service tuko na kurwire choko
ayaiga ni gaya kwana kurase omoche bwo mugaka onjweri kwekenyoro kia tente oyo emetie nyimeke ya etire osiretie umwana oye na gutiga abana bake egento kia mubetereretie omo MC oyo iga koria eira bunanigo arachigosira abana abo abake batigetwe batari no mwibori buna na chikubagurira ing'ombe eira aikirania
naka mori ga gutuka asisi ekenyore kibono buna ketora igatente asoba ko ngubono buno boboko na rushaka mori yaku na aregie kenyoro abantu baminto bana guki asobo takabura ke gokoranga baito no ni sara ka mori yaku na rushari na baere na amo na akorire binte minakora tuate biranga nya sanche iga aka mori aka garonko areria banyene kababwate na ndega sibuke ka bakakinia bana bali tuanchire igo
kubatikana hano wikirani guko kwire yo nigo kwagokeirwe na Jennifer Onjwari oyo omwana oye asirete na kabatigera abachukuru nigo agokeire egetambukero ekyo
asamari tango ku Jennifer Onjwari inche omwana wana asiro kafari mikerugo Onjwari agantigera abana babere oyo mogabwate metie nyebere amano yo manene robwate emyaka 10 oyo nyora nere okumia woko gorukwa bakabona akabarwa tiuki nabariete ira yo gokonya abana abo chintakane ng'ombe orentire ng'ombe iyo tiganya samusenie biamona nande biamona etari kwera asenginje gwatokoreira amana asenka yaito erinde enyara ko bagego konya na bono mwana yontigeri bomitie nyebero mwana omoke nkorari yanda gochaso mwana oyo tiganya sandre kusini
Hinko reporter gatembe koro igatente eye gotoke me ward ya Township West Mugirange County ya Nyamira inje Fatigad Gisemba
Biamano umuliki Fatigad Gisemba asengencho yoroboti urutobo sukabosyo abegeni bege katoliki na barabo nigo bacha kabene amagoro yo kwengata asense engima asebachakira nerituko lielibu erimanyekante buna hash Wednesday ekero barenge gukwana amonegeta seniekiga omuvika general Ogusi Charles Amwata nigo abakagote babuna echine chinga kichiabene abakristo bonsi babwenderete gusabira chinga abo chiamate abego gusabira ense ya Kenya okwengata nabo gokonya bali bonsi batari kwenyara erikoene kibuna eritukeliga ngochikobalire elio konyoria aya nigaya kwanira ase ogochake bene Lenten campaign ase misa yogwa karibu ikiorokeribuna mwanya bantu bonsi neliroba nabo igo ase liroba no bakwirana na nigo emiseyo yakolekana ase eklisia ya Kisii Cathedral.
Tumeanza rasmi msimu wa kufunga na tumeanza na Jumatano ya machifu. Tukumbuke sote tunapoendelea kufunga, kusali na kuwafikia wengine kwamba ni lazima tuwe wanyenyekevu na tunamhitaji Kristo ili tupate nguvu ya kuokolewa, kufikia ufalme na utukufu wake. Kila wakati maishani mwetu, vile maaskofu wameongea hasa kwa baraza la Kenya ya kwamba tuchenge Kenya ambayo iko na haki, Kenya yenye amani na Kenya ya umoja. Na sisi kama Wakristo wa Katoliki chimbo la Kisii hapa Cathedral tuanze kujenga familia zetu zikiwa na haki, watoto kwa wazazi, na vile vile wawe na amani, ndiposa tuwe na ule umoja kama familia takatifu ya Maria, Yosefu na mtoto Yesu. Tuwe wanyenyekevu na Mungu atatushirikisha katika utukufu wake.
Mkuru wa Parish ye Cathedral ekurawa na Vicar General Father Charles Amwata. Gotu achire litko lya lero elire liengencho mono aso mo Kristo mo Catholic ensengima gutwachiramo bwekeia mono na kworokia ng'amaene intu mwanya bantu ogotwarweta ase liroba nande ntoira na ase liroba na kiekogera togocha twainyora yagera twachaka amagoro yokweng'ata aya tokogenda ase amatuko 40 eng'encho yayenene ogosaba okorwa okwerigereria intu tweka abanyene ng'ang'ai twamomocheire Nyasaye ase amang'ana ase ogokora nogotakora ntubwate abaminto abutomenyete amo na barabwo obachandegete ase enchere eyemo gose eyende intu muna abakristo ase engaki eyeiga nari tokorigererania tomanye oyo minto oyo oremeire eki obwate terikonya ogosanga ebwekana mwao togesoki isiko toa abande ogosemeria ng'obogima mboro ebe ng'ana obwate ebe tobwati Nyasaye gatuanchete twensi na kiekogera tokobogorerania rituko ria rero toru no moyo omuya toire chingaki
Wanchomo ligereria oroboti orurwa Ash Wednesday gose Jumatano yeribu aba Katoliki bonsi ambamanyete amangana yu noto gochira omutimuko asensementangani yekeonga chinsa ibere tobasa gusukare asengenchonkwira na tole ase kageteri getambe elingendere gokumanya buna agendrete gokolekana korende nkobatigande asenkwana yerituko nkoira na tole ase kagetari egetambe.
When people keep going to facilities because they have cholera, because they have bilharzia, because they have malaria, when simply somebody would have slept under a net and you prevent yourself, when simply you could have cleaned your compound and there's no cholera. But now we are overwhelming our health facilities with diseases that are preventable. This is slowing our economy. When they are unwell, the children don't go to school. When they are unwell, the mama mboga will not attend to her kiosk.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, Cyber Security pamoja na Digital Animation and Media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za plumbing na building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kebirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabutiti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development. Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka 1 na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714 824 433 au 0752 901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy. Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa, kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Mwanchumo ligereria karibu nande asesemo ya kabere ye kionga chensa ibere elio ngandre kumanya ayitwa bere to gusangiriria asemeza ya mangaramaya. Asesemo ya kabere ni gotogo chaka no roboti korwa ase sector yobolimi asebona balimi bonsi babeire bagosegetwa banyareko bagotumeka chinchora chekerero asogokora obolimi bwabo elikwane kibuna ngwenyorera barerige saligiya ekero bakoreire asinchira yekerero orwo osayo nesegeto yabagekorwa alitukulia lero uchasa balimi bonsi anene bali bagokora obolimi bw'ekibando elikwane kibuna nkonyora bali kibando chamete okwa makorokuya.
So normally in the previous days you would plant, or farmers, because they are uncertain of whether seeds are going to germinate, they would plant 3-4 seeds in a hole and then chance that one of them will survive. We are guaranteeing farmers that when you plant one seed, you have a chance of 100% making that seed germinating and going into form a crop with that one seed. So the previous notion of planting 4 to chance that one will survive, you don't need to take that route. You can plant 1 decat seed and you are 100% sure it's going to germinate and give you what you're looking for. So counterfeit seeds are a big threat to the economy, because farmer pays money to buy seed, but what he gets on the farm is not seed that give him what he was looking for.
Mwanchumo ligereria ase orobotirunde aborokiwa na boigo aborokia beskuru ya Bisage eyue gutoka ase county ya Nyamira nigo babere bakorokia omogokobo magega ya barabu osimagega yo mwalimu monene koroserwa egesima kya mache ase eskuru yo elikwana kibuna aborokia bo amo na aborokiwa mbali gochikoborwa amache bagutumika ananekero bali ase mirimo yabo tambe gukwana chinga kiecho nigo babere bakweranira ngambi buria ase ng'encho yokonyorerwa egesimekyo na kuboria chisukuru chonse chiri chibwate omuchando bwa mache buna barabwo banyare ko bakonyora ogusira kwa bene erikoene kibuna omuchando bwa mache nkonyarore ko bagokoera.
Is Thomas Bundi, the principal of Gisage High School, Senior School, and I want to say that this is one of the very happiest moment we have as a school, because one of the key or a serious challenge we have had for many years of water has been solved. I want to sincerely thank our friend Joseph Mecha from the USA for his philanthropic support for this project. We have for many years been trying to reach to various government agencies for support especially on this issue of water, but we have not had any assistance. So we had to go out of our way to seek support from even friends, one of whom accepted to fund this project. And what has been done, and any time from now, the water will be connected to all buildings of the school. Our school is located somewhere in a place that is very far from the water points. So we have been relying on use of donkeys to transport water to school, which is hardly sufficient. So this gesture from our friends, we want to thank very much. Schools are experiencing the same problem, and if they can come the way our friend Joseph Mecha did, I think we can alleviate the problems of our people. And I want to believe even the community will have will get some water, because they are also equally affected. So I think the community is also going to benefit, and they are very happy. Actually, when the water was being done, this place was a pier for our activity. People were here. Community members have been watching. And it is good that our friend Joseph Mecha has promised that he will ensure that the water has been pumped to the tanks and the water is delivered to all points of the school buildings.
I will say a big thank you, and more so to us, the students. We'll have some importance for this borehole. First of all, we as the boarders will have enough time to at least get deeper into our studies, because mostly the boys were forced to go some days and bring some water from Gitwebe, so they will at least concentrate on their studies. Another thing,
maji ni changamoto kubwa sana, na bila maji hakuna jambo lingine ambalo tunaweza kufanya. Tunampea shukrani kwa moyo mkunjufu alionao akaweza kutuletea maji. Pili, pia imekuwa gharama kubwa katika hii shule yetu kwa maji, kwa sababu maji yanatoka sehemu mbali, na pia shule inatumia pesa nyingi kununua hayo maji ili kuja kutukimu ama kutufanya kazi za hapa shuleni kuendelea. Kama mnavyoona, pia shule yetu iko na wanafunzi wa bweni, na bila maji hakuna jambo lolote ambalo.
Umuraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nigo litukulerero abiriga koine kibuna umuroberio boko bwatirana gati ya serikali enene amone county ya Nairobi nigo ochakire limuryoka umuskeruto nigo ayakwana yo achingaki ataliroroche rwa Nairobi ase umuroberio obwokoroisia orochorwa.
ritukiri mulioka magega yoyo tenereta aba waziri Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi no mugavana wa county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kubeka SAE elio serikali nene chigokonya county ya Nairobi gwikira nimeremo ao.
Nairobi is not merely another devolved unit. Nairobi is our capital.
Ritukuria rero ni gumuraibwense achake mireme yibene ase atarero rochirwa Nairobi gose Nairobi River elio kurotota emireme gendrete asorochorwo.
Waswahili wanasema hayawi si yamekuwa jameni.
Gukwana rutoniga enekio mucho Nairobi no eneki amaonchereria inse yoboraibwae.
Hii Nairobi River ambayo imesumbua serikali zote. Mheshimiwa Michuki alijaribu akafanya sehemu kidogo. Mimi niliwaambia tutatengeneza Nairobi River iwe ni mahali ya makazi na biashara. Itoke kuwa mahali ya chafu na majitaka, iwe ni mahali pa kuishi na mahali pa kufanya biashara. Kuanzia mwezi ujao, mwezi wa 3, sasa tutaanza kujenga madaraja. Hapa tuko na daraja 44 kwa hii Nairobi River.
Ruto ni goboigo aerera umuroberio bwo kubabwatania basasa magendero akwanekia kwenyorera bare engere yabo.
Inaajiri vijana 45,000 wa Nairobi County. Vijana 45,000 wanapata riziki katika mpango huu wa Climate Works hapa Nairobi River. Na nataka niwahakikishie vijana wale mnafanya Climate Works ya kwamba hata kazi hii ikiisha, mimi nitapanga kazi ingine.
Gukwanira siasa muraibwense nigo atuguterare abaraibai bakwomereria serikali asekiria ateba mbabwati mu bangonde bwensi.
Our competitors, they neither have a track record for anything they have done in the past. They don't even know and they cannot account for their present. And sadly, I say sadly, they have no vision, they have no plan, they have no agenda, they have no program, they have no vision for the future of our country. Hapa mbele kutakuwa na mashindano. Saa hizi ni wakati wa kazi. Si ni kweli? Hapa mbele si tutakuwa na mashindano. Vikundi ni 2. Vikundi ni ngapi? Vikundi ni ngapi?
Kuripoti rege tasini kiaga tembe, Jensam, Yenda.
Biamono sana umuriketo Sam Miyenda asengencho yogotwaliganiria oroboturu asenchira yobuikiranu. Umuseneta we county ya Nairobi umuzike Edwin Sifuna nigo aberiga komocha egetambokero yokubwatirana gati ya serikali nene amo ne serikali ya county ya Nairobi. Umuzike Sifuna niga aberika gotebabuna okubwatanuko nigo kwabegetwesei abuli tukuligoro na nigo kolema mincha yelichiko.
What's worse, the agreement is meant to take effect within 14 days, and one wonders whether any meaningful public participation can be had in such a short period. The agreement in clause 6.2, in fact, states anticipates the outcome of the proposed public participation, limiting it to amendments and forgetting that the people in their righteous might have the option of rejecting the whole agreement in total during that public participation. Secondly, the steering committee established to oversee the agreement is very national government heavy. Of the 12 members of the committee, a whopping 2/3 are appointees of the national government. From its structure, the governor will play subservient to the prime cabinet secretary, making Sakaja effectively the new deputy governor of the county of Nairobi. This to me is not cooperation but a takeover. Thirdly, just last week, the governor of Nairobi City County, Johnson Sakaja, in his address to the County Assembly of Nairobi, derided what he termed the NMS experiment that left us with a Kenya shillings 16 billion hole in pending bills and vowing to never engage in similar misadventure. I wish to remind Governor Sakaja that the Senate in fact directed that those NMS pending bills were the responsibility of State House, from where he was speaking yesterday. since the accounting officer for NMS was the comptroller. He should have used the opportunity yesterday to remind the president that thousands of contractors and
Navoigo omokonyi bw'omuraibwense ya Kenya Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigo abirika gotebabuna omuroberio nyota nigo orachikogenderera asigika egetambe elio echigokonya abasaye kwegendereria ase amagimabo nigo abirika koene kibuna emiroberio yo yokoinanwa awekingise egia kabirigie chibesa yekiganchekyo nigo orachake bwangoiga na nigo abasaba bange bakagerego chigokonyeka kuruase chibesecho.
Nyota is aimed at supporting young people who ordinarily would not be supported. Why? Because number one, many of them are not credit worthy, and that's why the business grant is perhaps the first major infusion of capital into their business activities. Many of them in the field told us that first batch of 22,000 shillings was the highest amount of money they have ever handled together. So you can imagine what the complete sum of 50,000 would do to millions, hundreds of thousands of our young people. But we have other components that are still outstanding. The on-the-job experience, which will create the skills and certify skills of 90,000 young people. The recognition of prior learning that will also assess and certify 20,000 young people. And also 600,000 young people, mainly those who would never have done any business with government, whether national or county government, will be enabled later under Nyota to do business. I am pleased to announce that even after the expiry of the current Nyota project, we are going to put in Government of Kenya resources to target more young people into the future beyond the current project, where we are partnering with the World Bank. By just looking at the outstanding components of Nyota, we have been able to expand the number of beneficiaries from the current age 20, and we project we reach 1 million young people using Nyota. If we bring in phase 2 of Nyota, where we are going to put in Government of Kenya resources, we are going to target perhaps a similar number into the future. So this is a very serious intervention, especially for the young people who ordinarily would not have been reached out to by government interventions.
Mwanchomo ligereria nara yukurwa seke unga chinsa ibere asobotuko bwalero tumerane nande gekoraga chinsa inye elinkoletera yande ase nchira yobwekira nungwa kirembia mono yabene ase ngenchego chora kuligereria Getembe TV ase mirobuli o na boigo ekeunga chinsa ibere nkuganiria otwaro buligere burubya wikanande kerotoro menane gekoraga chinsa inye elio ngendere gukumanya to pateranere Wilson Makori kurugalia sensemo yebimanyerio kwene kibuna kwa yanyorire na boigo kurwa sensemo yechikamera nigotobwateranira Wilfred Matundura uyorikwanekia eliogene chibicha bya gwikire nigakoro ku DJ Adson mancheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Burabu Technical Training Institute iskuru jibu bundi yijese ni chekerero na magendero wakwili ya chisemo asinsemo ya computing and